Hello there! I've got an unboxing and a demonstration video to do. So, by the way, I am Joey Image TV, on Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Mixer. I think that's it. Anyway, this is... Whoops. This is by FIFINE Technology, and it is a lapel mic that I was asked to review, so full transparency there. Let me just move my phone out of the way. Alright, so first thing we got, oh jeez, this is a big, is a bookmark. Okay, I mean, that's interesting. Thank you for being our valued customer. We hope to meet your needs and impress you with our customer service. A product demo video in FIFINE web that offers operations, blah, 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 as a Facebook, yeah, great, right. Bookmark, I don't know, that's kind of an interesting inclusion. And a user's guide, which is pretty long. All right. How to use this with an iPhone, with an Android, with a PC. Connecting two mics into one device. Oh, cool! It must come with a Y splitter. That's pretty cool. Extension cord. It must come with that as well. Headset mic. They told me they were sending me a lapel mic. All right. Well, let me see what I've got here. It comes in this nifty little carrying bag here, which is kind of cool. So let's see what we've got. Well, this is not a lapel mic. This, in fact, it is a headset mic, it looks like. Okay. So this is one of those behind the head deals, I am assuming. Come on, man. Where the hell is my ear? Oh. Because I have a hat on. And it's upside down. So let's try it again. There we go. All right, how does it sound? Hey guys, I'm Joey Image. Oh wait, it's not plugged in. Never mind. I actually can't. Well, how the hell am I gonna plug this in? I don't have anything I can plug this into. Oh, wait a minute. I could plug this into my headphone stand. Before that, though, this is heavy. Let me see what else I've got in this box. Oh, hey, there's a second one. There's the lapel mic. Wow, very cool. So it actually comes with two mics. I don't have a lapel right now, but I have a shirt on. One of my favorite nerd shirts. Oops. And I missed the shirt, bro. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Can you hear me? How does it sound? All right, so... let me get all this stuff hooked up. It also comes with the second clip. And it looks like two little pop filters in there. And that is it. Yes, this is a lot of stuff. I'm also, since I'm an idiot, I didn't realize that there is actually a picture on the front of all the stuff you get. So there you go. So on the top left there, you can see the headset mic, or the around the head mic, whatever. To the right is that little Y splitter there to plug in two at the same time. There's a little extension right there in the bottom left. There's another extension in the middle, and there's the lapel mic on the bottom right. Why is this not focusing? It just did 2 seconds ago. Anyway, so let me get this hooked up here, and I will come back in a few minutes and we can do a sound test and see what it sounds like, or do an audio test to see how it sounds. Thanks, folks. Stick with me. Hello. Operator, may I help you? Yes. I will connect that number for you. All right, so this is the over the head, around the neck thing, over the river and through the woods. I'm not really into this one. It kind of feels tight on my head. I like the fact that the entire mic right here, the whole arm is bendable, or whatever you call it, flexible, or whatever. So I don't mind that. I just feel like, hey, I'm an operator now, and I will connect your phone call. It's not bad. I don't know how it sounds, because you guys are hearing it, and I'm not. But I hope it sounds okay. I am going to actually test that right now and check it out. I am using one of the extensions. It's a shorter, like maybe a 3-inch cable with a right angle extension on it, which is kind of cool. And then this is the other extension right here, which is very long. So I am going to check this out, see how it sounds, and then come back and we will check. It's not here anymore. Well, the lapel mic is somewhere. And then we will test the lapel mic as well, which is the one I'm actually looking forward to using. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, so I went back and checked out the video for the around the neck head mic thing. It actually sounded pretty decent. Now I've got the lapel mic on again. Obviously, I don't know how it sounds because you're hearing it, not me. But I will check this out in a couple of seconds and then come back with a final kind of wrap up and review at the end. This is very cool. So this kind of mic is something I've always wanted. So I don't have, like, for example, my Yeti mic like right in front of me when I'm doing it. I don't mind it here, like when I'm streaming or if I'm doing like a just chatting or whatever. But if I want, because usually if I'm streaming like a game or whatever, I'm gonna need the keyboard and stuff. So if I'm streaming like a just chatting, like I said, I don't mind this because I don't really necessarily need to type anything. I can just kind of sit here and talk. But mics, or I'm sorry, games where I need to use the keyboard and mouse, it's nice to not have to have that big thing right in front of me where I need to like almost look around it to see the keyboard, or, you know, I have to kind of reach around it to see the mic. I said reach around. So I kind of, or see the keyboard, I should say, I'm sorry. So I kind of really dig this, and I think this may be for, like, Call of Duty or like WoW, stuff where I actually need to use the keyboard for things. This may be like my go-to mic to use for that. Again, I'm not hearing how it sounds. I hope it sounds okay. Where is it? It's right up here. And this actually, it's a 3.5 millimeter connector, and I'll show you that stuff in my next clip. I just want to kind of go back and hear this. Actually, you can see it on here, which is, this is the Y splitter. So you can see the 3.5 millimeter right there, and it's not going to focus because it doesn't want to. So this can be hooked up to a GoPro, for example, if you have the microphone extension. What else? The microphone adapter, I should say, for a GoPro, which I do. So you can hook up to anything: PC, Mac, Android, iPhone with either the adapter, or if you have an older iPhone with the, there you go, with the 3.5 millimeter port, which I still have, the headphone jack. So you can use this on a variety of items and devices. Let me check this out, see how this sounds, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I listened to both videos using both mics. They both sound the same, and I think they sound very, very good, especially for the price. I believe it's somewhere around $22. So just kind of let me show you what it comes with up close and personal. This is, there's the FIFINE logo on top. So this is the around the neck mic head thing, around the head thing, whatever. Again, 3.5 millimeter plug, you can see right there. So you can use this on a varied amount of devices, which is a good word. Here is the lapel mic. Let me just pull this apart so I can show it to you individually. So here is a little extension cable, about 3-inch, well, maybe 6-inch, and it's got a right angle 3.5 at the end right there. Here's a much longer extension cable. I don't even know how long this one is, but again, 3.5 inch. Or sorry, 3.5 inch, 3.5 millimeter. Here is the Y splitter I was telling you about before. So if you look in the manual itself, here we go. So this end goes into your device, obviously, and then you could use both microphones at the same time if you wanted to, right there. And then the last thing is the actual lapel mic itself. I'll put photos of all these stuff, and then also, sorry, here's the little nifty carrying bag, which I like a lot. This actually feels really sturdy. It's soft and fuzzy. It's precious. And then there's a couple of extra, there's 2 pop filters in there for the microphones. There's an extra clip. I will have photos of all this stuff, close-ups, at the end of this video, which is essentially right now. Thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this. Either of these microphones, but if you buy this set, which I will link below, again, you get both mics, the lapel mic as well as the around the head mic. I don't know what that's called. Headband? I don't know what the hell it's called. But anyway, guys, please check me out on Twitter. Joey Image TV. I almost forgot. So Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, and Instagram. Yeah, everything is Joey Image TV. I'm also at Joey Image TV or joeyimage@gmail.com. Either one of those work. And please like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to like, whatever. But please subscribe if you would. I could really use the subs. So, I appreciate y'all watching. Take care and have a good night.